लगेगी लगेगी पक्का लग जाएगी आगे लगेगी जब आगे करोगे तब लगेगी। वाह यार वो इतने से निकाल ली। हाँ
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are checking out this absolute stunner, the 2025 Honda CBR 650R. This is a middleweight sports bike that packs serious power, stunning looks and that sweet inline 4 symphony that we will listen to in some time. We're gonna do a walk around of the bike, so let's start at the front where this bike already makes a statement. The twin LED headlights give it that fierce aggressive face like it's ready to pounce. Not only do they look fire, but they also light up the road brilliantly at night. But we are yet to test these lights at night when we do the ride review. Right below we have the Showa SFF-BP forks that adds a premium touch and ensures rock solid stability whether you are leaning into corners or hitting high speeds. Mind you, these are not normal USD forks that you see in other bikes. These are separate function USD forks. These are made to provide solid stability at higher speeds. And speaking of control, the dual 310mm disc brakes with 4 piston calipers up front give you that reassuring bite when you need to slow things down in a hurry. It's smooth, precise and confidence inspiring. Talking about the front tire, it's grippy 120/70 section 17-inch tubeless tire, so you're all set for carving corners with ease. Now the real reason we all love this bike, the engine. The beauty runs on a 649cc inline 4 pumping out a solid 93.8 bhp at 12,000 rpm and 63 Nm of torque at 9,500 rpm. And let me tell you, revving this thing is pure bliss. And the liquid cooled system on this thing ensures you get maximum performance without overheating, even when you're pushing hard. Since these are high revving machines and bigger cc engines, they are not made to run in traffic. Moving on to the transmission, it got a 6-speed manual transmission and assistant slipper clutch. Shifting is buttery smooth as always with Honda, and aggressive downshifts won't settle the rear wheel. Whether you're in the city or out on a twisty highway, it's always fun to ride. Now swing a leg over and this is what you see. The clip-on handlebars give it a sporty forward-leaning stance but not too extreme. It's comfortable enough for long rides too. The lean angle is comfortable enough and a little aggressive, but not too much. The digital instrument console keeps things simple and easy to read. You get speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauge, gear position indicator and more. No unnecessary distractions. Everything is positioned just right, so whether you are riding aggressively or cruising, the ergonomics feel natural and effortless. Alright, let's check out the handlebar controls. Honda has kept things simple, functional and easy to use. A 5-button cluster to navigate the digital instrument console, 4 buttons and a center set button for selecting options. This makes scrolling through trip info, fuel data and other settings super easy. Then we have the high and low beam switches, indicator controls and a horn button. Right side we have the engine kill switch, below that the starter button and the hazard light switch. The button setup is well thought out, making it easy to control everything without taking your hands off the bars, plus the tactile feedback feels premium. Honda has always been good at making quality parts. Moving to the middle, you'll notice the sculpted fuel tank. It's not just for looks. The 15.4 liter fuel tank gives you decent range whether you're commuting or hitting the highway, and the way it's shaped, it lets you tuck in nicely and grip the bike better for more control. Now let's check out the tail section. Honda has really nailed the design here. The sharp minimalistic LED taillight blends in perfectly with the aggressive styling. No unnecessary bulk, just a clean sporty finish. The monoshock rear suspensions comes with a 10-stage preload adjuster, meaning you can tweak it for comfort or performance depending on your ride style. Moving to the brakes at the rear, it is handled by a 240mm disc brake with a 1-piston caliper, enough to keep things balanced and under control. And finally, that 180/50 section 17-inch rear tire gives this bike serious road grip. Whether you are leaning hard into a curve or blasting down the straights, the CBR sticks to the road like a glue. So why should you consider this bike? It's aggressive styling that looks straight out of a superbike lineup. Smooth high revving inline 4 that sounds like a dream. Sporty yet comfortable ergonomics, great for daily rides and weekend fun. Honda's legendary reliability. This bike will keep going for years. What do you think of the new CBR 650? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this walk around, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more epic bike content. Till then, ride safe. See you in the next one.